Hey guys, for today I will show you. This is our competition in Polytechnic IDN Bogor, and you can see there's a lot of people here, and my class was lose immediately for the second place, but that's not enough to winning the competition. And right now we're gonna see the next match between three teams. Yes, three teams.
Jadi sekarang TRPLA,
Included.
TRMBA, TRKJB,
Yes, that's team maybe you're not here, but that's okay.
TRMBA, TRKJB.
And right now we're gonna
Ini jurus keluar. Ayo keluar.
Hey babe, say hello to camera.
Huh?
Say hello.
Hi.
Hey, how's life today?
Not bad.
Not bad.
So.
So.
Yeah.
But very hot here, very hot.
Too hot. Too hot.
Too hot here, right?
I don't like this.
I don't like this. Why you don't like this?
I don't like weather too hot and.
But I see
like-
you don't join the competition.
Yes, I have joined in the competition Sarung. In the Sarung competition.
Oh, before it.
Yes.
Oh, it makes you against my team, right? In where class you play it?
I play in TRPLC.
FLC. Oh, you're the winner, right?
Yes, I'm the winner.
Oh my God, look this, Wes. This is the winner, bro. And thank you, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
And right now, I gonna see the matches, but it's too hot here, really. It makes me wet with body. I don't know what emotion of it. But there's some over here. Going to rest, and that's my leader class. Hello, say hey to camera.
Hi,
You look tired.
I'm sick.
You're sick.
Yeah.
Well, you need to go home now.
Rest.
Rest, take a rest.
Ini ada satu nama lagi.
And I don't know what I want to do right now. Maybe only watch they play it. And maybe enough for this video. Thank you.